Hello guys, Mike is here again. Today 30th of June 2017 and we are here with a very good day. As you can see, Euro USD has moved up and we are in a very good position. We have 3 trades if you remember. One in Euro USD, one in Usdchf, and the other one is oil. So 312 pips in Euro USD, 115 pips in Usdchf, and 87 pips in oil. So overall 500 pips. So now we're gonna draw again. Let's see. Now we are in the middle of a trade. Okay, couple of days have gone and we don't know that we're gonna exit the market or we're gonna just keep the trade. Let's see what we do. Okay, how I do it is in this way. I draw again these support and resistance lines. Okay, and I want to know how much the market has power to move forward. Okay, that's what I want to figure out. If you remember from the previous videos, I drew this trend line here. Okay, and as you can see, this price has touched this trend line, which was a very good resistance in a couple of positions. Is it gonna stop there? We don't know. It's a very high probability that the price gonna move back, or it just fluctuates like this and then move up again. But about 15-16 years ago, I had a class in technical analysis, and my teacher, my master, he was probably the best person I've ever known in technical analysis. He told me, well, we are talking about the pattern formations in price charts. So as you can see, we have a kind of a flag here. Okay, I draw it this way. I don't know, people are different, everybody draws it different. It's a very long flag, but as you can see, we have a triangle here and we have this pole of the flag. Beside all the translations of the flag, there is one that my master told me, and he said that the length of this flag is 110 pips, okay, and the length of the pole of the flag is about 430 pips. So it's about 4 times the length of this pole is about 4 times the length of, or 3 times, let's say conservatively, 3 times of this the width of the flag. Okay, if the market breaks up the higher level of the flag, the higher probability is that it's gonna move almost the same length, the same distance as the pole of the flag. So if the pole from the bottom to here is 320 pips, let's pull this down. So if price broke up from here almost there, so this one is gonna be higher over there, the top level. It's gonna go about 320 pips, which is almost at this resistance line that we drew on a weekly level about 3 days ago. And that's why we put our target under this. We expect that the price gonna go there. That's the flag formation translation, and we hope that the price gonna go up. But here is the trend line, and this is a very good resistance. It has acted as a very good resistance. What I think is that the price gonna move to another channel. It's been in this channel for a long time. Maybe, let's say, I don't know, some channel like this, or maybe some channel like that. We don't know what's gonna happen. What I do now, I'm gonna lock in some more profits. So still we're in New York session, okay? I'm gonna move this to high of this flag to the low price of this candle the previous day, and just stay there until today's market closes. Tomorrow is Friday. Well, here is Friday in Melbourne, but in US it's still Thursday. It's not Friday. So tomorrow is Friday. What happens in Friday is that normally at the half day of Friday, half day through the Friday, the traders, the big players of the market come and they close their positions. They take a very good weekend off and then they come back again and the next Monday and start trading again. That's why normally in the Fridays the market goes back from the direction that has been moving during the week. So now the market is moving up. Probably it's gonna have a little bit of drawback here. We don't know, okay? But today has moved up very good. So if it closes up there, I'm gonna move this stop a little bit even higher, maybe over there, to lock in some more profits. Currently we are in a very good position. I'm locked in about 105 pips. That's what I'm gonna do. The other one was Fibonacci level, and Fibonacci, how I draw it, is the last high and the last low. I consider that to draw the Fibonacci level. So this is the last high, this is the last low, okay? The price has moved over this, it has crossed this 161.8 level. The next level, as you can see, just exactly drops on that support line, that resistance line that we drew 4 days ago. That's why, again, there's another reason that we expect that the price gonna go up there. That's why we put the target underneath this level. So what I see beside this trend line, which gonna act as a resistance line, the other things show that the price gonna go higher. So I stay with the market. Even in the weekly, as you can see, this is a very, very long candle in the weekly. If it's very long, as you can see, we have one small candle here and then again another move higher. If it's very long, you have another one and then the market moves back. If it's very long, we have another week. So we expect that there's gonna be another week higher bullish candle after this. So all of our expectations, translations of the market, our technical analysis show that the market gonna go higher. So I prefer to stay with the market and I don't close this trade. It depends on tomorrow. Okay, maybe I come back on Friday is a very bad day and the market just crashes and I just close the trade. Okay, but up to now I'm not gonna close the trade. I just move my stop higher and higher and higher. So these are 3 positions that we had. All of them is a 1 mini lot. The other one is USDCHF. Let's see what happened in the USDCHF. Okay, this is a very good move as well. 3 days in a row is crashing, but again, this USDCHF also touched this trend line, and as you can see, this is a very good trend line here. This is a very good channel. This is the bottom of a channel. It's in 161.8 Fibonacci level that we drew. If you remember, we drew it here. Let's do it in the way that I told you before. The lower high, the last high and the last low. This is the last high and the last low Fibonacci. Okay. Let's see how this moved. So the market is gonna get close to this 161. So I'm not gonna close this position as well. All of these show that this maybe had a higher chance to go to this level. So I stay with the market. Actually my target is in 261.8 level. So I'm gonna stay low much longer. As I said in the Euro USD, I'm expecting that the market's gonna move to the higher channel. Here, lower channel, okay? Market has been fluctuating between these levels for a long time. So if the market crosses this support line, which acts as a resistance line, and then closes under there, we expect that the market's gonna go to the next level, which is in 423. So we're in a good position. That target is halfway through. Maybe it goes back, because this has been a very, very strong support here. As you can see, its previous actions has been very good. It's supported very good. So maybe this is gonna hold again. I don't know, but I think it's gonna move again downward. So I stay with this price, with this position, and I just move the stop lower and lower. So I'm gonna move it now up to here, and then if it closes lower tomorrow, maybe I move it to the high of this candle, maybe. So let's check oil. Now this is the weekly chart of oil, okay? The market during the past probably 60 weeks, which is the past year, has been fluctuated between $41 and $55. So it's about $14 movement. Now the market has touched this $41, $42 and it's going up. As you can see, as we go to the higher time frames, the movement get stronger, okay? When the move starts, it's gonna hold, okay? It's a very strong move. So all the weekly charts, I expect that when we have one weekly candle in one direction, the next one is gonna be in that direction as well. Though it depends on the trend and so many other things. As you can see here, we have a fluctuation a lot, and market just going up and down. But the rest, we have at least 2-3 candles one after another. So I expect that the markets in the next week is gonna go higher as well. And as you can see, well, currently the price is coming down today. We have 3 pin bars here and the market's going down. So I'm gonna move my stop a little bit higher so that we don't lose that much. I stay here, which is, well, let's stay there. The low of this, the previous day. If the market goes up again, I'm gonna move my stop again. So there's a chance that we lose this trade, 73 pips. But we stay with it. Let's market closes today and then let's see what happens. Silver, as you remember in the previous video, I said that the silver in a very good position. It starts to move up. We have a very good pin bar here and the market has moved up. But again, this moving average 21 acted as a very good resistance and the market moved back. I didn't enter this trade. It didn't look that good to me. Maybe if in a lower time frame, 4 hour and 1 hour, if you get a signal to enter, you can just jump in and just start driving this move up. I don't know it's gonna go up, but the market looks good and I think the market's gonna go up. The gold, as I said, I don't like when the price fluctuates between these 50 and 200 moving average, and as you can see again, the market has stopped. These 2 previous candles had shown that the sellers are getting more powerful. As you can see, the higher wick is much bigger than the lower one, so the sellers are pushing the price down, and they were successful today. So they turned the market from the bullish to the bearish candles. If this breaks this 200 moving average down and stays there and closes under there, probably there is a good chance that the market's gonna go down. And when the gold and silver go down, the Euro USD goes up. I think the USD goes up as far as I remember, and the Euro USD goes down overall. So the market is stuck between the gold price is stuck between these two moving averages. So I'm gonna stay away from these two precious metals, and let's see what happens at the end of the day, maybe even tomorrow. So at the end of the week, when the weekly closes, see what happened. As you can see, during past 4 weeks we have a downtrend, and this is stochastic crust, and this probably we're gonna see a MACD crosses below zero in the next week. If it crosses below zero, we have a down movement, and the price of the gold and silver is gonna go down. It's very good for gold buyers. You know, the price has moved from 12.95 to 12.40, and probably it's gonna go to 12.15 or 12, even 1200. This is a round number, 1200. So it's gonna be a very good position for the buyers in the market. So they probably are waiting the markets go down more and they buy. But we stay away from these two precious metals, and they just, we check on them every day to see what they do and how the price moves. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this analysis, please subscribe to my channel. I upload daily videos every day analyzing the assets, the currency pairs, and you can just get the signals along with me. I just show you exactly what I do, how I do it. I keep no secrets. You can see exactly how I get the signals, when I exit the market, when I enter the market. You can check my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, my Twitter page. I'm starting my Instagram as well. I'm gonna upload all of these photos and images of these trades up there. So find the link, all the links in the description of this video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comments. I try always to answer all of the questions in the next day. So please ask anything you don't know, you just doubt. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Mike Mohebi. Have a nice day.